USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Click on these buttons, they're free, so just do that. And below the video you will find a link which says swing like a pro. So click on this link and then come to this page right here where you can check out these recent trades and setups. You can play any of these videos and you can watch them. They're short videos for 2-3 minutes. And then if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can join this program. And below that you have a link which says book consultations. So if you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can do consultation right here. And also check the brokers and join a free telegram, get into my telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are well above the EMA, as you can see. So we're in the uptrend in weekly open. So weekly is uptrend, daily is what? Daily again above the EMA. So in daily as well we are above the EMA. 4 hour is what? 4 hours below the EMA. So this is your previous new lot, previously on Vampire Diaries. Okay. Okay, so 4 hours is down, but daily and weekly are up. Well, the pro tip is don't trade USDJPY. Okay. If you want to trade dollar pairs, you have Euro USD, GBP USD, IUD USD. There's no need to trade USDJPY. That's number one reason. Okay. But I think USDJPY will dump, might dump, who knows. Okay. As per the structure, weekly and daily both are above the EMA. So I will say look for longs after pullback in 4 hour. But at the same time, I think it might go down. So if you want my advice, do not trade USDJPY. You have GBP USD, you have Euro USD, you have IUD USD, you have USD CAD. Don't F around in USDJPY. When I'm telling you not to trade, then just don't do it. You have too many other pairs to trade. Go for Euro USD, GBP USD, and the videos are on my channel. You can watch the analysis for them. And if you want to precisely enter and exit, because analysis is one thing, precise entry and exit is a different thing altogether. Okay, so if you want to enter and exit with me, join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.